Welcome back to another portfolio update. Today we will analyze the performance of my P2P Lending portfolio in May. We'll examine the interest payouts from individual platforms to give you an idea of how a real P2P Lending portfolio can perform in the current market. We will also discuss the changes in the invested amounts on various platforms. If you're new here, you should know that this video is no investment advice. P2P lending is risky and you must regularly monitor the events surrounding your portfolio to avoid potential losses. You can do so by reading our reviews or staying updated with the latest news in our news section on P2P Empire. So in this table, you can see the performance of my P2P lending portfolio last month. As you can see, there were some minor changes in the portfolio amounts. On February, I continue increasing my portfolio amount by investing manually in loans on the primary market, since the demand from investors is still higher than what the auto invest can handle. Other than that, there isn't much to report this month. GoFingo continues the repayment of war-affected loans, which improves the portfolio's performance. Estate Guru continues the repayment of non-problematic loans. However, as of right now, it's hard to justify the redeployment of available funds, as there is still a lot of work to be done by Estate Guru to recover the defaulted loans. Robocash continues to perform well, even though the supply of loans remains limited, which caused my portfolio amount to slightly decrease. The current CEO of the Una Financial Group has also shared information about the company's financials from last year. The group's net profit decreased significantly compared to 2022 due to the sale of the lending business in Vietnam and investments in new services in Asia. What's also important to pay attention to is that the CEO Natalia Ishenko is leaving the company and the founder Sergey Sedov is returning as the new CEO. While I don't think that there should be any negative impact from the decrease in the net profit or change in the CEO, I suggest that you watch the recent webinar and make your own opinion. On Escated, I managed to redeploy my uninvested funds on the secondary market. This isn't ideal from the liquidity aspect, as those investments cannot be quickly sold with automated strategies. On the other hand, it helped me to reduce cash drag and earn 11% interest over the next few months. If you're not too picky with your loan selection and have the diversified strategy activated, you shouldn't be facing too much cash drag. Fintown also continues to perform well, so I increased my stake in the available Flexi projects, which provide a competitive interest rate and a quick exit option. As the platform continues to grow, certain dashboard areas could be improved. For example, the My Investment area doesn't allow the export of the available investments, nor does it support the option to filter out the repaid lots, which is not convenient, especially as the portfolio continues to grow. As I've surpassed 10,000 euro of active investments on the platform, I also get the accrued VIP bonus, which is a nice feature that increases the return on my investment on the platform. On Crowdpeer, I have not redeployed the return principal, which has decreased my overall portfolio. The same goes for Lande, which continues the recovery of some of the problematic loans. At the end of May, the outstanding portfolio amount was 82,136 euro, which is 1.38% higher than in April. This portfolio generated 733 euro in interest, 6.30% less than in the previous month. Most funds are diversified across Peerberry, Robocash, Escated, and Fintown. The amount of late loans slightly increased last month, whereas the defaulted amount remained more or less the same. The amount of war-affected loans on Peerberry decreased by 8.37%. This chart reviews the various loan types. Most of the loans in the portfolio are short-term loans, followed by commercial loans, which are mostly long-term loans from Una Financial or Aventus. The portfolio is diversified across 15 countries. Most of the loans in the portfolio remained unsecured, backed by a buyback or group guarantee. The rest is secured with a mortgage or a machinery, which by the way doesn't protect me from defaults or a partial loss of capital. To summarize this portfolio update, the average investment per loan in May was 129 euro and the weighted average interest rate remained at 11%. The portfolio is split across 634 loans in 15 countries. So that's been a quick review of my portfolio. If you found that update valuable, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.